affected po ang protein. You see, nabura po, nabura mismo yung chromosomes. So, pag nasira ang chromosome, sira yung cells. And you are composed of more than 100, at least 100 trillion cells. And pag tumama siya radiation, hindi yung sa buhok lang, all over the body yan. And the danger is, radiation is invisible and insensible. Hindi mo makita yung wire. Pero kurente yan. Radiation destroy DNA. Hydrogen electrons. Pag nasira mo yung hydrogen, pilay na po yung apat na natiran. Kailangan buo yun, di ba? Composing the name DNA. So pag napilay po siya, masisira. At siya po ay magiging, pag minalas-malas ka, magiging virus of the body. The virus is made of nucleic acid. No doctor will tell you and to reveal to you what is the composition of the virus or the structure of the virus. Probably, maybe. That's why they can stipulate the cure of the incurable today because they don't know where the virus come from. They don't know the origination of cancer. But Dr. Flores knows it and I'm imparting it to you.
Yeah.
Okay? So what happened? If you are experiencing this stage, you should not involve yourself on the drug affliction, on the drug remedy, or the drug cannot give you the solution. So what happened? You develop stress, your energy will be depleted, you develop fatigue, even blood pressure will change, you develop some chronic illnesses, and you might suffer stroke, or even heart attack. And the most last, brain cancer will happen and tumor because of ignorance. Then finally, to the graveyard. Talunan. Gusto niyo ba ganyan? Ang namamatay po ay mga ignorante. Pero matatalino po ay humanaba buhay. Because you know how to manage your life holistically and naturally, but not chemically. And hospitality will not be there. Okay? Ito ho, dapat nyo malaman that people don't like drug anymore. Drugs, hospital, because of people who died. So what happened with them? They look for solution. So the solution they only know is about miracle. And the rich people travel any part of the world just to look for miracle. Maybe for cancer, to eliminate diabetes, leukemia, and they found out some. They are the 4 world miracle water signs of the earth. So Lourdes miracle water is known, no, for the Christians. Meron din po sa Germany, Northview, Germany. So yun po, akala natin mga Pilipino na naghanap ng miracle. Other people also, because cancer strikes anywhere. Naghanap din sila. And one of them also is Lakota, Mexico. In Mexico, they say, mga tao po, Magic Johnson, in the player was damaged by HIV, but somehow he was cured by this big type of miracle water from the Cote Mexico. Alright? So these are only some in Japan, the Hita City, and about Pakistan, the Hunza Valley. So yung mga yan, hindi natin pwedeng iwaksiyan because no amount of solution are reliable to eliminate cancer, except your genius, which what I did. So, today, these people, I tell you honestly, Japan do not stop. Sabi nila, pero may alam na sila. They were devastated by the so-called atomic bomb, and that is hydrogen bomb, damaging the 2 major cities in World War II, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Sabi nung, nakita ko yung write-up nila doon. We will not repeat war anymore. But we will not forget the damaging effect of the hydrogen bomb thrown by the US and the Allied forces on their 2 major cities. Sabi nila, if we were destroyed by this hydrogen bomb by the US and the Allied forces, we will retaliate by means also of hydrogen, but not as a bomb, but as a medicine. That the US cannot eliminate cancer, diabetes, heart disease, leukemia. Our hydrogen medicine can do. So what happened with Dr. Sanetaka Shuriata with the mission discovering the hydrogen, then he found out all of this for world miracle water. And he developed the technology. What you are paying is the technology na wala po sa ibang lugar on this earth. And this is the active hydrogen type of water. So, today, the question is, what's your defense? Wala. Toxins, chemical pollution, drugs is included there. Autoimmune disease, walang depensa. Hospital, it's not the reason. The only defense today, and vibrant health is no longer a certainty. No one is immune to the health threats of 21st century. So, kawa po tao. In Hong Kong, H5N1, you see? But Dr. Sanetaka contributed the technology of active hydrogen is able to prevent proliferation of cancerous cells and cause the death of cancerous cells. This is the technology. When cells divide repeatedly, the terminal telomere part of DNA will turn shorter. If this telomere disappears completely, the cells will stop dividing and die. But cancerous cells repair telomere. Okay? And with telomere, therefore, cells never die and even proliferate. Dumadami pa. So, dumadami po yung cancer cells. Di ba? Meron silang tatawag na cancer cells bonding. Ano kanyo? Okay. So, they never die and even proliferate, dumami, without limit, and repeatedly attack and destroy our body. So, these are the action or the function of cancer cells. Dumadami sila because of the bonding, what we call it, condition, which is telomere. Okay? But active hydrogen can stop telomere bonding. Ang telomere bonding po, doon po sa mga cancer cells. But with another telomere causing the death of cancerous cells is on active hydrogen. And we call it now hydrogen bonding. Okay? So, kaya po sinasabi, nilaborate natin ang bonding because we avoid discussing telomere. And we only use the word telomere in cancer cells. Today, this is the technology of active hydrogen bonding. According to the reports by many experts, active hydrogen is also able to prevent proliferation of cancer cells and cause the death of cancerous cells. You see, the type of drinks that we have can destroy cancer. And that is, wala ko pala yan? Yes! Okay. Active hydrogen that we have now here in the pouch is the smallest atom in the world. Can penetrate into all narrow corners of the body. H4O supplier use alkaline water as being the major content of human body because we need alkaline, no? To transport also the large volume of active hydrogen to the end of cells to remove free radicals. Why they use alkaline water? Because you are born in alkaline being. Your blood is alkaline. Salaman must be alkaline. Or either part of the organs must be alkaline in nature. But your action is through acidity. You are 20% acidic and you must be 80% alkaline. And that is the balance equation of optimum health. People tend to become always acidic from time to time because they drink Coca-Cola, soft drinks, eat hamburger, fast food, and all of them makes your body to be highly acidic. Okay? And this is very swift and very effective, which is unbeatable to the market among or compared to general antioxidant supplement that available today. This concept has its own capacity to remove free radicals because of this ORP, extraordinary oxidation reduction potential by 600 millivolt negatively. So, pag iniinom mo siya, kumbaga sa kinakalawang, yung kalawang mo, iniisis niya para maging stainless ulit. Ganun po yan. Yung kalawang po ay palatandaan ng rust, pagkabulok, at ang metal, kung tambak ng kalawang, napuputol na. Ganun din yung buhay ng tao. Nakala po natin, pag nagkakasakit, takbo ka sa drug. You don't know, you are also destroying it through another form of destroyer drug. Anyway, you must know that hydrogen has its own electrons, and many electrons are the variety of differences. Dr. Salita Kashirihata found out that hydrogen na nakukuha po sa miracle water set of the world, meron po siyang extraordinary number of electrons, napakarami. Sa akin tinawag po siyang active hydrogen. The more great number of electrons the hydrogen it has that you discover, the more your hydrogen is discovered is actively on the body. And that is our product contained today. So you must know that. Kasi yung normal po, H2O, so standard po ang kanilang electrons. But in our technology, hydrogen bonding that our product has is through electrostatic potential that it has. Napakarami po itong electrons na kapag tinitake natin, the hydrogen bonding is always promoted, bearing to correct all destroyed hydrogen, destroyed by radio pollution or radiation pollution. This bonding is very careful and very necessity. Di ba kayo, pag wala kang kaibigan, nag-isa ka, you are weak. Pag marami kang kaibigan, nakipag-bonding ka, you become stronger. Di ba? The hydrogen bonding is interconnecting the two element of your DNA. Yan po yung nakita niyo sa gitna, yung tinuturo ng hydrogen bond. Para mabuhuli ang chromosomes mo. Even in the double-stranded, ganun din po. Yan. Yung nasirang chromosomes, bubuuin uli niya through hydrogen bonding. Sila po nagbubuo ng dalawang base. You see, the two bases, the left and right, at saka yung interconnection bases. At sila po ang sisira po sa mga virus. The composition of the virus is nucleic acid with protein coating. So yung mga doktor, hindi nila kung anong virus. And no amount of antibiotics can destroy the virus because the virus is made of DNA, which is abnormal in your body. Abnormal, hindi natuloy. Hindi natuloy yung protein. So yung tissue mo, hindi natuloy, naging virus in the process of metabolic function of your body. So some viruses are made of RNA. You see this? RNA, this is tobacco mosaic virus. Walang DNA, only RNA. So this adenoviruses is made of DNA, pero wala siyang RNA. Ano yung sabihin ng RNA? Ribonucleic acid. Ang DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So yung isa naman, sa dulo, DNA, walang RNA, and that is bacteriophage T4. Okay? Yung virus ng trangkaso, ang trangkaso mo, huwag mong ilagak o isandal sa paracetamol. At huwag kang maniwala na sinasabi sa yung ingat. Hindi mo magagamot ng anumang. Ang tatay ng paracetamol, ibuprofen, pinagbawal na doon sa certain part of America. Pero dito, hindi bawal. Ang sabi pa nga siya, ingat, di ba? Oh. Pero, ito, tingnan mo ito, influenza virus, yan ay trangkaso. So, hindi pwede dyan ang paracetamol. At iba pa mga antibiotic because they are nucleic acid. Ano ang dapat yan? Yung taga-repair ng nucleic acid na sira, DNA. Walang iba kundi hydrogen na meron po tayo sa clister.
Yes!
Okay ba? Kaya walang doktor ang pwedeng tsumalin sa akin. Technology ito. Hindi ko ito gawa, ha? Binabahagi ko lang yung ginawa nila. Alright? Ito ang susi at hindi dapat malaman ng 95 million Pilipinos baka hindi na sila magkasakit. Kailangan nila ang sakit. Cancer is industry versus pharmaceutical industry. Pag nagsama yung cancer industry, pharmaceutical industry, ano ang meron doon? Ito!
Yes!
Bilog! At marami pang bilog. At ikaw binibilog. Gusto mo ba yun, sir? Bibilogin ka ng mga taga-bilog?